Hey guys, doing a video, HO scale train set, 1988 pulling a freight train. Now usually I would have two of them on there, but I will have to tell you what happened. So I was holding UP 1996 right here, if you can't tell what happened. I was just holding it and all of a sudden it slipped right out of my hand and the back wheels are broken. And usually I have two heritage units pulling on the big freight train, and I would have put 1996 in the middle, but that didn't work out. That hasn't worked out lately because of how much it is, and it's going to cost me some money. I don't know how much off the top of my head, but we still got one heritage unit survived. We still got one. We still got my Santa Fe Blue Bonnet. We still got that at least. Believe me, we still have it. So we're good with heritage units. Don't worry, guys. I'll try to do this right here. So that's just an update for you. Once I get this thing back when it's back in condition again, it will be running on my train set. So like, subscribe, and peace out. And Warriors are gonna win tonight. Golden State will take game 6 and 7. Peace out.